Bitcoin just broke past 120,000. And if you've been in crypto long enough, you know October is called Uptober. Historically, one of Bitcoin's best months. But here's the big question. Is this the start of a monster Q4 run, or could this be actually the bull trap in disguise? Let's get into it. Bitcoin ripped past 120K in the past 24 hours. Shorts got destroyed, but longs also got clipped in the whipsaw. This is a classic crypto max pain traders before the next move. Crypto, the only market where you can be both right and broken at the same time. Let's talk about October historically. October has been closed green in 8 of the past 10 years. Examples in 2020 and 2024, they went up 20-40%. October usually outperforms other months. And even if it's weak years, October tends to outperform. It's not magic, it's liquidity, ETFs, institutional demand gearing up for year end. Basically, October is like pumpkin spice for crypto. It comes back every year, and people go crazy for it. Next, some macro tailwinds. So, weak US jobs report, the Feds expect to cut sooner. Liquidity injections, fuel risk assets. Institutions are scaling into Bitcoin exposure through their ETFs. Stock markets are near all-time highs, so risk appetite is up. So Bitcoin certainly loves uncertainty, chaos, and this is rocket fuel for Bitcoin. So bear trap versus bull trap. Just the last week, sentiment flipped into fear. That's classic bear trap setup as we talked about in previous video. It shakes the weak hands and it gets ready for the next rip upwards. But here's the danger. Sometimes the market fakes the breakout. That's called a bull trap. A bear trap, examples, price dump fast, people panic sell, then it rips higher, trapping the bears who shorted. Now a bull trap example, when price breaks out strong, everyone FOMOs in, then it reverses hard, dumping on late buyers. If Bitcoin can't hold this support, this run could fake out. So the key is to watch whether Bitcoin stays above this 119, 120 level is, and we're likely in for Uptober. But if not, it could be a bull trap and we're in for some pain again. And historically, after Bitcoin runs, the money does rotate into the alts. We're already seeing Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche picking up. Solana especially is acting strong, and the lots are calling that Avalanche is next for this. Uptober often starts in this domino effect, and it can go into a full alt season. So for Q4 is, like we said, is one of the best quarters for crypto. We got ETFs, liquidity, and the Santa rally effect. So potential targets are 130 to 140 for Bitcoin if momentum holds, but don't expect a straight line up. Volatility is part of the package. My take, and I think Uptober will live up to its Uptober reputation. I think Q4 has some juicy gains ahead, but if Bitcoin falls back under these levels, watch out, that could flip into a bull trap. So what do you think? Are we in Uptober or a bull trap? Drop your prediction in the comments below. And if you're trading this volatility, check out BitUnex. There's no KYC, there's no VPN needed, and a bonus when you sign up. The link is in the description below. So smash that like and subscribe, and let's ride Uptober wave together. Thank you for tuning in, and cheers.